This is probably one of my favorite shavers out there. This is from Trimcoo, and first off, really good box that it comes in. But look at the like the look of it. It's so nice. It's got that cool quality white look to it, and also it's small. Like, it doesn't take up a lot of space. Like some of the other ones are really bulky. This uses USB-C to charge, so you can charge it with any typical charging point. And you have some other adapters, which we'll come back to. But just getting to the shaver itself, it's got like a little blade protector, so you just pop that off. So you press the button to turn it on, and then press it again to turn it off. Simple as that. But look at this. If you could see my hairs here, just watch how finely it cuts that. Look at that, just like that, so easily. So for me, it's like we can use it up here, and it's gonna make your skin smooth. It gets all of the hairs, look at that. You can get up to 90 minutes of use on a full charge, and it fully charges with USB-C in like 30 minutes. So you have these guard combs, so you can hook one to the end of the blade head, and you can use that to shape your beard that much better. Some of the other accessories that it comes with, it does have a nose trimmer, so you can pull this thing off and use the nose trimmer to get those hairs in your nose or your ears. But my favorite of all is the one where you can change the size of it. So if you're trying to trim your beard a little bit, put it on like this, it snaps into place, and now you have different sizes that you can use with this dial right there. So if you didn't want to take up too much of the beard, for example, I'll just do a little bit right here. So it's getting some hairs, but it's not going all the way down. But if I wanted to get it more fine-tuned, I can get it like maybe 1.5 if I want to do my mustache a little bit. So that is a very useful one, especially if you have different lengths of beard that you want to trim. But all in all, this thing is great. This is like the perfect travel shaver, but also just the shaver that I would choose to use at home anytime, because it's that great. It works so well, and it's really easy to clean, really easy to take care of, and yeah, great quality build to it as well. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.